Okay everyone, it's Matt, and here's our bronze sink. I already started sanding on it last night before I left. And as you can see, the oxidation, most of it's off of it, and I'm in the process of sanding the underside of it now. And what we use is a 60 grit, 30 grit, and a 15 grit to sand it down, get the rest of the oxidation off, and to make the metal shinier so that when we buff it, it has a nice hue to it. So I'll sort of show you how we do this. This is a 60 grit, and I just take and go on a circular motion. I'm doing this by hand. You can do this with an air sander, but for me, I like to do the sinks by hand because you have a little bit more control over it. And the thing about this product is you have to be very careful when you are sanding it, because if you sand it too much and burn through it, it's hard to fix it because it is metal, and if you try to patch it, you'll see the patch. So the idea is to be very careful, especially when you get close to the edges, so that you don't have any burn throughs on it. So I'm going to finish sanding the bottom side of this with the 60 grit, then we'll hit it with the 30 grit and the 15, and right before we buff it or polish it, again I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll polish it, and I'll show you what that looks like, and then we're going to acid treat it, and then tomorrow we'll probably do the clear coat, the protective coating. So I'll be back with you in just a few minutes.